I'm Army Vet, and welcome to today's installment of the Office Makeover. Today we're going to apply acoustic foam to the wall. Now to start off, I don't get a lot of reverb in this room. There's quite a bit of material in here that will absorb sound sufficiently. However, there is a little bit of reverb, and it's annoying. I want to take care of it because I want a smooth, clean sound. So it makes sense to add some foam to the walls. Since I'm not getting a lot of reverb, I'm not going to go with any professional grade acoustic panels. I'm just using some pre-cut foam that is 1 foot by 1 foot by 1 inch. Now there's several ways you can attach these to your wall. Some people use pins, tacks, stick it to a poster board, and then put the poster board up. But for me, all I'm going to do is use these 3M command strips. They are the poster weight, I believe, which is very light because these things don't weigh anything. Since these are foam, most companies vacuum pack them to save on space and obviously the box size in shipping. So you're going to have to cut them open and let them breathe and expand. After a week, nothing had really expanded, so I took the second suggested approach, which is to soak them in water, wring them out, and then let them dry. And that popped 99% of them into the shape that they were supposed to be in. To start off this install, we're going to give the wall a good scrub with rubbing alcohol. This will allow the 3M strips to stick better, get all the grime and everything off the wall. You won't have to worry about a foam pad randomly falling off in the middle of the night. Once the wall is dry, we're going to then apply our 3M strips to the foam. We're going to put 1 in each corner at the top, so 2 only. And remember, you're going to want to have your foam installed so that it goes vertical lines, horizontal lines, vertical lines, horizontal lines, vertical lines, all the way down. Or vice versa. You can start off with horizontal, then go vertical. But you always want the next foam pad to be opposite of the one before it. You don't want the same pattern going across, it'll defeat the purpose. If that description was as clear as mud for you, just follow along the video. You'll get the idea. It's too easy. I decided to start in the corner and work my way out along both walls. Since this was a short wall and I only had to put 2 rows in, I started with this side. The whole install took no more than 15 minutes and drastically changed the way my mic sounded, and all the reverb was gone. The best thing about this install is there'll be no damage to my walls from pins or tacks. The command strips, I can just pop them right off and it'll look like I had nothing up there if I ever need to take them down. I hope this video was helpful, and stay tuned for our next in the Office Makeover series where we're going to be making key lights. Again, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and leave a comment. I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great day.